How do I lock the shaft rotation on a bolens? BL110.
I'll do all I can to help. How long have you been dealing with this?
Today.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Yes.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
Replacing head.
Welcome to Just Answer Small Engines. Let me try to help you. I don't know it all, but maybe together we can get you a satisfactory answer. You want to stop shaft rotation? Explain?
I'm trying to replace the head. I need to stop the shaft rotation in order to remove the head.
I'm confused. Why would shaft have to be locked to remove the cylinder head? Piston or crankshaft location does not affect the head removal or reassembly.
On the Bolen BL110. When you turn the nut under the bump knob, the shaft turns, making it impossible to remove the nut. I read others had same issue but no solution. The instructions were to lock the shaft rotation but no instructions on how to.
You can remove a spark plug and thread a small rope or cord into the cylinder, so when the piston comes up, it will lock the engine.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.